Hello everybody, how are you? Hope everyone will be in happy mood with their families. Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, as like before, today also we brought something special for you. So just leave everything for now and watch this video with full concentrations. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about women crochet jackets. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for crocheting jackets. A crochet jacket offers numerous benefits combining comfort, style, and functionality. Here are some benefits of wearing or owning a crochet jacket. Unique design. Crochet jackets are often handmade, making them one of a kind and style. Breathable. The open wave allows air to flow through, keeping you cool in warmer weather. Lightweight. Crochet jackets are typically light, making them comfortable to wear for long periods. Soft and cozy. The yarn used in crochet provides a soft, cozy feeling, perfect for cool weather. Durability. With proper care, crochet jacket can last for many years due to their sturdy construction. Eco-friendly. Many crochet jackets are made with sustainable natural fibers like cotton or wool. What style? They can be dressed up or down, complementing casual or formal outfits. Warmth without bulk. Crochet jackets provide warmth without being heavy, unlike traditional knitted coats. Customizable. You can customize a crochet jacket in different color, pattern, and sizes. Timeless appeal. Crochet has a timeless vintage charm, adding a unique touch to your wardrobe. Perfect for layering. These jackets are great for layering over other clothes, adding both style and comfort. Light on the skin. The texture of crochet is gentle and does not irritate the skin. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like, so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Supports craftsmanship. Many crochet jackets are handmade, supporting artisans and traditional crafts. Great for all ages. Crochet jackets are sustainable for both young people and old adults, making them versatile for different generations. With the happy ending, today's video. Hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique ideas. So keep in touch with our channel and watch such type of more unique, popular and traditional videos and designs. So keep in touch with our channel. Take care. Bye bye.